Good morning, stone fabricators. It's Don Duran with NSI Solutions, and today is finally the day. I had to look this up. It's been 5 long years of conceptualizing and design and prototyping, testing, redesign, a couple years of manufacturing shenanigans, but we are finally ready to introduce the new Seam Phantom 2.0. We're going to do this with a series of videos. We're going to do unboxing. We're going to do how to assemble your new tools, go over the features and improvements of the Seam Phantom 2.0, and then we'll get to some actual use videos, though a lot of our old use videos still apply. People that know me know I'm not a big fan of unboxing videos, but there are definitely some things you need to know when you're buying one of these. So let's get to it. First of all, what you'll notice is there's 2 boxes. We have the LT version, or the light, and we have the DLX version, or the deluxe. So you got to make sure you're getting the version that you want to purchase. The other thing to notice is it no longer works with the old glide guide. It says for use with Ultra Guide, double-sided dovetail guide. The Ultra Guide is new, comes in 46 or 92, it says right on it. Double-sided dovetail guide for use with Seam Phantom 2.0. Red text, so they go together. Also on the box, they say 5/811 or M14. 5/811 gonna cover 99.5% of everything in the US. Of course, M14 for our European customers. The other really new feature is we have 5 different power supply options. Now, these are not included, but any of these grinders and polishers can be used to power the new Seam Phantom 2.0, either version. We have the air polishers like we've always had. Now, I know this is a Bronca, really hard to get, but any air polisher up to 2 1/8 diameter will work. Everyone's got their favorite. This is the venerable Makita. This is an SJS2. SJS1 still work also. And we'll put all these model numbers in a graphic or in the description so you know exactly what you can get. The PW5001, this is a center water feed Makita polisher that's very popular in Europe. A few people use it in the United States, but it'll work. And what's really new is the Metabo variable speed grinder, and this Milwaukee variable speed grinder will also fit. So let's start by opening these up. This is a completely new original design on the guide. This is a 46-inch version. This is what comes with the kit. 92 is available, like I said. Rubber on the bottom, like always. Plastic on the top, and we'll go over that on the features video. Now, this is the light, Seam Phantom 2.0 light, and this one is the air polisher version. So this would be a kit to be used with an air polisher. Now, one of the really nice things about these is you can convert them to whatever you want after you have them. Now, one thing that is missing from this box is the instruction manual. They, of course, will be in there when you get them, and it'll probably be in the form of a link to video instructions. Brochures, of course, for other products, random packaging. This is your SL3 kit. That is your snail lock adapter and all your abrasives. So you get your adapter, your cup wheel, and your 3 turbos. Get your attachment kit. This is the kit that's going to vary from grinder to grinder, but you will get a complete kit for whatever power supply you choose. Let me get the rest of this stuff out of the box, and then we will open them up so you can see them a little closer. Your Seam Phantom and your clamps. And this is the Seam Phantom 2.0 Lite. Like I said, functionally identical to the original Seam Phantom with quite a few improvements. It should look very familiar to most of you. And we'll go over the improvements and details, like I said, in a separate video. The clamps you get, now these are a much higher quality clamp than we were providing. Their center clamping system. The abrasives should be very familiar to a lot of people. The same SL3 adapter, the same turbos. You get a 60, 150, and 300 grit, and then the 2-inch cup wheel for back grinds. And like I said, this is the kit that varies from grinder to grinder. We'll go ahead and open this up. A little fancier gauge blocks than we used to have, but functionally they work the same. And then for the air polisher, you get the air polisher adapter and the arbor extension. And then what's new is these adapter mounting plates, and these and the hardware vary from grinder to grinder. What we want to show here is full kit like you always get from NSI Solutions. Let's go ahead and open up the Deluxe and you can see the differences. I'm sure this is what everyone's waiting to see. It's the same SL3 kit. This is the mounting kit, which varies because this is for a Makita Electric. So the first kit was for the air polisher. This kit for the Deluxe is for the Makita Electric, and like I was pointing out, that's listed right here. You get a much improved spray shield. Now, the spray shield, if you're getting a light version for one of the electrics, you get the spray shield too. We've gone to an external water supply, so for all the electrics, you'll get the water system, GFCI adapter for the electrics, and again the clamps, and that is the Seam Phantom 2.0 Deluxe. And I think this is probably what everyone wants to see. This is the big improvement for the Deluxe. That baby will stay right there. Just trying to illustrate here, you get a complete kit depending on the power supply you choose. Like I said, we're going to go over the features and improvements, how to assemble everything across the entire spectrum of power supplies. So keep an eye out for our next video, and you can always email us at info@nsisolutions.com. We answer those emails. Have a great day.